My name is Sadak Samir and Manikandan. My topic is in vitro evaluation of hand hepatoma efficacy of 3 selected medicinal plants from Nilagiri district. My internal guide name is Dr. Shekhar Babu Adiram, Professor, Department of Biotechnology, Veltech High-Tech Engineering College. My external guide name is Sindhu, Research Associate and Armas Biotech. Objectives: collection and preparation and extraction of selected plants, evaluation of antioxidant potential of obtained extracts, and studying the phytochemical profile of the extracts and assessment of phytocompound of by TLC, and analyzing the anti-proliferative effects extract on liver cancer cells, and the evaluation of anti-proliferative effect of best extract from normal cell lines. My material methods: plant selection and collections, 3 plants, and drying process, extraction process. Study 1, antioxidant potential and extract. Study 2, phytochemical profile in extracts and phytocompound assessment of extracts. Then anti-proliferative effect of liver cancer cell line and normal cell lines. These are a collection of plants, drying process and extraction of 3 plants, and antioxidant potential and dot plot assay method, then DBH assay method. These are results. Then hydroxyl scavenging activities. These are results, and phytochemical analysis. These are results. These are thin layer chromatography in RF value for secondary metabolites in 3 plants. These are results. And biographies. Then cytotoxicity evaluation against liver cancer cell lines. These are PMC normal cell lines. Then go for results and discussions. And the results in 2 plants such as Giardia rotaliformis and Heracleum springlianum is more significant in antioxidant properties, and the inhibitor concentration of Heracleum springlianum is 33.43 and Giardia rotaliformis in 37.3. Then paging about the results and phytochemical studies carrying out the bioactive compounds in 2 plants. And the phytochemical results evident to phenol and flavonoid and terpenoid were significantly seen compared to other bioactive compound. Then go for the study further extend to anti-proliferative properties in the extract, and measure of 2 plants Giardia rotaliformis and Heracleum springlianum show the more effective and in liver cancer cell lines. In studies and out of Giardia rotaliformis and Heracleum springlianum, Heracleum springlianum showed efficacy in lower concentrations, so which is indicate the safety administration of drug. Then study for normal cell lines. Here also Heracleum springlianum is more effective, and it is not that higher concentration is normal BMC cell lines is not disturbed. Then for basing of the results, further research can be carried out through the advanced method, follow the in vivo studies, animal studies and clinical trials to potent the drug extract plant from Giardia rotaliformis and Heracleum springlianum to cure the liver cancer. Thank you.
Thank you.